Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diamond here, also known as Diamond Denise, and today I have a cute little Valentine's Day look. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you are not new, you know, thanks for being loyal. Go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and give me some comments down below if you like this look, and I will go ahead and get started with this look. Let's go. Alright, so we're just trying to do a cute Valentine's Day look, very neutral but with the pop. So I'm using glitter, but I will talk you guys through it, and feel free like to not use glitter. You can always use like a glitter shadow or something. I don't know, we'll see how what I really end up using, but that's what we're doing. So let's go. I'm using my MAC soft ochre paint pot, and I'm just putting this on my eyes. Some people put it on super heavy. I just kind of like to put it on. I don't really put too much of it on my eye. I'm using my Jaclyn palette, and I get this from Ulta. Yeah, you can get this from Ulta or order online, Morphe.com I believe, or even maybe Jaclyn, I'm not sure, but I bought it from Ulta personally, and this is what I'm going to use to create this whole entire look. It has just like a lot of neutral good colors that I can use for this look that we're doing. So we're going to go in with this color for our base of our eye, and of course, you know, I'm putting that over my entire eyelid. Now I'm going in with this color, and I'm going to put that as my transition color. So it's pretty much going in my crease. And a good thing to do is like, try to look down into a mirror, and you can really map your crease out, and it's a little easier to apply the shadow. So I'm just going to take that, and you're just going to blend, 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 and just keep blending. Okay, so now I'm going in with the same exact brush, and I'm going to use this color right next to it. I'm going to basically put it literally right under the color we just placed. So about right here. And I know sometimes when you're blending these colors that it looks like, wow, like I really can't tell the difference in the colors. I don't really see nothing blending. But once you have it all together, you get like your eye gets a more of a gradient effect, so it's not as harsh, and it really looks better. And you'll notice that if you just keep practicing, because I know right now the colors are like, oh my god, them colors look exactly the same, but once everything's all done, you'll see the difference. And when you start doing it on your own eyes, you'll definitely notice a difference. So that color is literally right under it, even though it doesn't seem like it, but I promise you guys it is. So now I'm going in right under this color, and we'll basically go right under it. We got two more colors to put down. Holster right here, and I'm putting that right under that. And the final color we're going to use is going to be this brown color. This brown color is called Chip, and we're going to put Chip right here on the outer corner. And you don't even have to go all the way in, because we're going to kind of cut that crease a little bit. We're using the MAC Pro Concealer to cut the crease, what I've been always using. You can also use any type of concealer, or you can use the MAC paint pot, so whatever you kind of have will work. So we'll use Beam from the palette, and we're just gonna put that exactly where we cut the crease. This could be pretty by itself, like I don't even need glitter, but we're gonna add glitter because it's Valentine's Day, why not? Okay, isn't that fun? All right. Now we're going back in with that brown color. That, what was it called? Cocoa, right? No, it's called chip. We just want to close up this corner. And then just blend it out with the rest of the colors. Blend it out, literally I just took up the brush that I was using earlier and I'm just kind of blending it out, like the edges, just so they're not as harsh. I don't know why I'm making these faces, but I really like this beam color, y'all. Like, okay, honey. Like, you see me blinking at you from across the table? Man, if y'all are doing something cute tonight for Valentine's Day with your boo or your husband or whatever, let me know. I like those kind of things. I want to hear about it. Or if you try this look, or if you just think this look is cute and perfect for the occasion, I want to know that too. I'll be in class slaying, blinking my eyes in my books. So I like to do my eyeliner before I do my glitters, and then I'll just clean up where the glitter is, because putting eyeliner over glitter is so difficult. So we're using our NYC liquid liner, the best one, and we're about to make a little wing liner. All right, so glitter always gets everywhere, and now we're gonna take some glitter that I got from like Hobby Lobby or something. I've had this glitter for like a little minute, so it works just as good as like the other glitter that you can buy from the store, and we're not using that much anyway, but it's about to be everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna use my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna use that brush that I was putting concealer on with, and I'm just gonna dab it where we kind of cut the crease. And I'm not gonna completely smother my whole eye because I just want a little bit of glitter. I don't want it to be so overwhelming. This could be an eye look by itself, y'all. You don't need glitter. Alright, so now we're gonna prime our face with this Baby Skins primer. Alright, so for our foundation, we are going to use this Born This Way foundation. And for our concealer, we're using the Pure Beige LA Pro Girl concealer. And this is in the color, yeah, Pure Beige. For setting my face, I'm going to use my Ben Nye powder. I'm going to use our chocolate Solei bronzer. As you can see, this is all I use. Just be digging in it. I'm going to put on a little bit of blush, and this is Amber and Rose. Just so we can be an extra cute, extra plump and pink, rosy. Extra rosy, yeah, I like that. Alright, what else do we need? We need to do something under these eyes. I'm gonna go back in with chip and put that under our eye. Alright, highlighter, you know, it's gonna be my Revolution highlighter. I'm using my Vegas made lashes, and these are just the Mink Effect lashes. Y'all see this glitter everywhere? I don't even need a highlighter. All right, so for my lip, I'm gonna use my chestnut lip liner, and I'm gonna take a Fleshpot and put that all over my lip. Then we're gonna use Oyster Girl as our gloss. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my look today. I hope everyone has a beautiful Valentine's Day. And if you like this look, don't forget to like it, leave us some comments down below, and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.